Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy or move HDD files with Total Commander app. In my previous video I did about how to use NTFS hard drive on your Android device. I never showed how to copy files using Total Commander app. So in this video I'm going to do that. First of all, I'm going to plug in my hard drive to my Android device. You say method, you click on OK, and it will open the NTFS hard drive. So you have to click on mount. After that, we are done with this app. Now you go to Total Commander. Go to Microsoft NTFS for USB Paragon software. You're going to see a folder called NTFS. Open it. Now this is my hard drive. So if you want to copy or move a file out of your hard drive, here's how to do it. Let me use a simple document as an example. I'm going to use a small file that won't take time. Okay, let me use this. If you want to copy this file, you click and hold it and click on copy/move/send via Bluetooth. Click on the arrow icon at the right side. Choose your preferred destination. This is my internal storage. I'm going to choose the download folder. Then click on OK at the top. You don't have to do this anymore. It will always copy files to your download folder. So when you have chosen your preferred location, the next thing you're going to do is to copy or move. At the left, we have copy. At the right, we have move. Or you can send via Bluetooth. In my case here, I'm going to copy this file. So I'm going to click on copy. That's it. So when we go back to our storage, phone storage, download folder, you're going to see the file I just copied. Here is it. So that's how you copy or move HDD files using Total Commander. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.